Good morning, Nahimana. So I'm going to run through the routine really quick. Well, I'll try to go through it. I got about 15 minutes to record. So we're going to start with our Ujjayi breath. All right, so you're going to teach people how to breathe. So everyone go ahead and close your eyes. Breathe in through your nose. Just exhale through your mouth just to let things go. Breathe in through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. Breathe in through the nose. Stick your tongue out, lion roar. Breathe in through the nose. Stick your tongue out, lion roar. All right. So Ujjayi breath is breathing in through your nose and out through your nose only. So in yoga class, we do not breathe out of our mouths unless we're making expression. All right, so we're going to do Ujjayi breath 8 times together. Close your eyes. Take your hands on your hips. Breathe in through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Breathe in through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Breathe in through the nose for 3. Exhale through the nose. Breathe in through the nose for 4. Exhale through the nose. Remember to smile. Breathe in through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Breathe in through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Breathe into the nose for 7. Exhale through the nose. Breathe into the nose for 8. And exhale. Now, let's open our eyes. We're going to work our neck. You're going to look up and look down. Look up. Look down. Look up. Look down. Look up. Look down. Now let's take breath with it. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Last one. Inhale, look up. And exhale, look down. All right. Now we're going to look to the left and look to the right. And look to the left and look to the right. And look to the left and look to the right. And look to the left and look to the right. Now we're going to do it with breath. Inhale, look to the left. Exhale, look to the right. Inhale, look to the left. Exhale to the right. 2 more. Inhale to the left. Exhale to the right. Inhale to the left. And exhale to the right. I think we got 1 more. Inhale to the left. And exhale to the right. All right. So we've done our neck exercises. Besides, now we're going to make a smiley face with our chin. So your chin's going to make a frown first, then a smiley face. So we're going to go to the left shoulder and look up and go over to the right shoulder. Look up and over. Look up and over. Look up and over. One more. Look up and over. Now breathe with it. Inhale to the left. Exhale to the right. Inhale to the left. Exhale to the right. Can you feel that cracking sensation happening in the neck? Feels so good. Inhale to the left. And exhale to the right. Let's go ahead and do one more. Inhale to the left. And exhale to the right. All right, sometimes we'll do one more than 8. You might do 8 or 9, so it's okay. All right, so we're getting these cooling sensations happening in the neck, which is your oxygen moving through the neck, because this is where all your informations transfer over into the brain to tell the body to move. Now we're going to make a smiley face with our chin. So you're going to take your chin to the left shoulder, down, look towards the floor, and over to the right. Look down towards the floor and over to the left. Down towards the floor and over to the right. And down towards the floor and over to the left. Let's go ahead and do one more. Down towards the floor and over to the right. Let's take the breath with it. Inhale to the left. Exhale to the right. Inhale to the left. And exhale to the right. And inhale to the left. And exhale to the right. One more. Inhale to the left. And exhale to the right. All right, shake that out. Now we're going to move to our shoulders, because lots of people have shoulders issues. We're going to start with our left shoulder. Left shoulder up, left shoulder down. Left shoulder up, left shoulder down. Left shoulder up for 3 and down. 4 and down. Now we're going to take the breaths with it. Inhale to the left, squeeze. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale to the left, squeeze. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale to the left, up. And exhale down. One more. Inhale to the left. And exhale down. So if you notice, my words got mixed up, but I still keep going. That's called recovery. All right, so you just don't say, oh, I'm so sorry. Don't apologize. Kind of apologize really quick and keep going. All right, now we're going to do the right shoulder. Right shoulder up and shoulder down. Right shoulder up and shoulder down. Right shoulder up for 3, shoulder down. Shoulder up and down. Now let's take the breath with it. Inhale, right shoulder up. Exhale, shoulder down. Inhale, shoulder up. Exhale, shoulder down. Inhale, shoulder up. Exhale, down. Inhale, shoulder up. And exhale, down. All right. Now we're going to take some circular motions. Well, actually, no, we're going to do both shoulders, sorry. Shoulders up, shoulders down. Shoulders up, shoulders down. Shoulders up, shoulders down. One more. Shoulders up, shoulders down. Now let's breathe with it. Inhale up. Exhale down. Drop them quickly. Good. You can make sounds when you go on the exhale. Inhale, shoulders up. Squeeze. Exhale, shoulders down. Good. 2 more. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, shoulders down. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, shoulders down. Already you should start feeling a great sensation happening in the face and neck. Now we're going to rotate our shoulders forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's take our breath. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Let's rotate it 4 times going back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's take breath with it. Inhale, shoulders up, and exhale, roll them back and down. Inhale, shoulders up, and exhale, shoulders down. Inhale, shoulders up, and exhale, shoulders down. Woo, this feels good. Inhale, shoulders up, and exhale, shoulders down. All right, let's shake that out. All right, just go ahead and shake your arms a little bit. All right, now let's go ahead and we're going to move our chest forward and back. This is good for the heart and the spine and the lungs. All right, so you're going to open the chest, elbows back, and then arch the back. Push the chest open, maybe look up, and then tuck your chin into your chest and around. Shoulders go back, shoulders go forward, and chest. Even the elbows go back. Elbows go back, and then release. So that's the movement. So let's do it with breath. Inhale, look up, open the chest, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, open, exhale. 2 more. Inhale, open, exhale. Last one. Inhale, open, and exhale. All right, let's shake that out. So now we're going to do the hips. All right, so your feet are going to be together this time first. So we're going to push the hips forward, and I'll turn to the side so you can see me. Inhale, hips forward, keeping the chin in the chest, and exhale, push the buttocks back. Inhale, hips forward, exhale, back, hips forward, and back, hips forward, and back. Now let's do it with breath. Inhale, hips forward, look up. Exhale, tuck your chin into your chest. Inhale, look up. Hips forward. Exhale, tuck your chin into your chest. Hips back. Inhale, hips forward. Exhale, hips back. Let's go ahead and do one more. Inhale, hips forward. And exhale. Now we're going to open our feet wider than our hips to get a bigger stretch in our hips. So the movement is hips forward, hips back, hips forward, hips back, hips forward, and hips back. And now we're going to do a breath. Inhale, hips forward. Exhale, hips back. Inhale, hips forward. Keeping chin in the chest. Exhale. If it feels good and you want to look up, go ahead and do it. You do that 4 times, and then you're done. So those are the warm-ups. The last thing you can do with the audience is sweep the arms up and throw it back. I'll do it to the side. Inhale up. Everyone say ha. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. You can do this 8 to 16 times. And that way you get loud. So you want people to get loud. Inhale up. Exhale. Maybe lion roar. Inhale up. Exhale. All right, so you can do that as much as you can. When they get done, you just have everyone quiet themselves. Take their hands on their belly. Close their eyes. And just let them be quiet for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. When you're done, bring your hands to Namaste and tell everyone thank you. Make sure you introduce yourself and tell them that you're a yoga teacher.